Justin, and this is going to be adding and subtracting fractions for the Math 9 class. I'm a tutor at BC. So our first problem is 2/9, and we're going to be adding 4/9 to that. So luckily they have the same denominator, and when they have the same denominator it makes the problem a lot easier. In order to add or subtract fractions, we must have the same denominator. So when we do, we just use that same denominator, 9, and we just add the numerators. We don't add the denominators. That would be wrong. We would not want 18 as the denominator. We're going to have 9 still as the denominator. And then we just add 2 plus 4. And that gives us 2 plus 4 is 6, divided by our denominator, 9. And you may think we're done, but we can reduce this fraction because 6 and 9 have common multiples, and those multiples are 3. So if we divide by 3 on the top and the bottom, our answer will be 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 2/9 plus 4/9 is 2/3. And our next example is subtraction. So it's similar to adding. We must again have the same denominator, which we do in this case. It's 12. So we just write that same denominator. We don't even have to worry about it. And then we just do 25 minus 10. And 25 subtract 10 is 15. And we just keep the same denominator, which is 12. So now here we have an improper fraction. Improper because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we need to change that. We can do, well, we could simplify it first, or we could put it into an improper fraction. I actually think simplifying it first is easiest. 15 and 12 are both multiples of 3, so we can divide by 3. And 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So depending on what your teacher likes, you could maybe leave it in this form, or we can write it as a mixed fraction. 4 goes into 5 one time, so 1 times 4 is 4, and our remainder is 1. So our answer is 1, and this 1 becomes our new numerator, 1 and 1/4. So 1 and 1/4 is our answer. And that's it.
Do you want an example?